Good morning, one and all. Myself, S.K. Arshad. I am currently pursuing BTech in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering at Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology, Anantapur. Today, my topic for this session is example on triple integration. Here we can see the question. Evaluate integration 0 to log 2, integration 0 to x, integration 0 to x plus log y, e power x plus 5 plus z, dx, dy and dz. Here we can assign values. Integration x is equal to 0 to log 2, integration y is equal to 0 to x, integration z is equal to 0 to x plus log y, e power x plus y plus z dx dy dz. Here there are three variables x and y and z, therefore it is called triple integration. Firstly, we can expand e power x plus y plus z into e power x into e power y into e power z. Here on integrating e power z, we can get e power z, and by assigning the limits 0 to x plus log y, we can get the value integration x is equal to 0 to log 2, integration y is equal to 0 to x, e power x into e power y into e power x plus log y minus 1 dy dx. Here we can take, there are two functions. When we integrate with y is equal to x is equal to y is equal to 0 to x, there are two functions e power y and y into e power x minus 1. Based on the formula integration v is equal to u into v dash v1 minus u dash v2. Here and we can get the values of integrating e power y and y terms, y into e power x minus 1 e power y minus e power x into e power y. The whole we can get is integration x is equal to 0 to log 2 e power x of y into e power x minus 1 into e power y minus e power x into e power y. By applying limits from y is equal to 0 to x, we can get integration x is equal to 0 to log 2 e power x, x e power x minus 1 into e power x minus e power x into e power x minus of 0 minus 1 of 1 minus e power x dx. And simplifying the whole problem, we can cancel here e power x into e power x, we can cancel it easily, and x is equal to 0 to log 2 here, and simplifying and we multiply with e power x into the whole term, we can multiply e power x into x e power 2x minus e power 2x plus 1, we can get x e power 3x minus e power 3x plus e power x dx. On integrating with x, we can see the term, the integrated term x into e power 3x minus 1 into e power 3x by 9 minus e power 3x by 3 plus e power x. On applying limits x is equal to 0 to log 2, here we can get log 2 into e power 3 log 2 by 3 minus e power 3 log 2 by 9 minus e power 3 log 2 by 3 plus e power log 2 minus, here we can see we substituted log 2 value in the place of x. Again we can substitute the value 0, we can get minus 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3 plus 1. On simplifying we can see here e power 3 log 2 becomes 8. Why? Because 3 power log 2 becomes log 8, and here we can, the values e and log will be cancelled and we can get log 8 value. Log 2 into 8 by 3 minus 8 by 9 minus 8 by 3 plus 2. Here we can multiply all the terms with minus, we can get plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. By simplifying all these, we can get 8 by 3 log 2 minus 7 by 9 minus 7 by 3 plus 1. By simplifying all these, we can get 8 by 3 log 2 minus 19 by 9. The major formulas here we used are log formula, because with this log formula we summarize the values e power 3 log 2, because m power log n is equal to log m power n. Here 3 log 2 means log 2 whole cube, hence it become log 8, and log and e values are cancelled, therefore we can get here 8 by 3. Many people often confuses here, so I have to decided to clear the confusion. And also here 8 by 9, by doing the cross multiplication and either by taking LCM, we can come into further steps. 8 by 3 log 2 minus 7 by 9 minus 7 plus 3 plus 1. The total value we can get for this solution, and the example is 8 by 3 log 2 minus 19 by 9. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you for your patience listening.